Hey guys, I'm Nicky Riggi from Mike Allen Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you the basics of HTML. HTML is the most easy to learn of web page coding. There's many different ones. There's PHP, CSS, XML, JavaScript. HTML is the easiest, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. This is just Facebook.com. This is the home screen, and this is the HTML that was used to create it. To type HTML, just to code anything pretty much, you're going to want to know your whole keyboard and be able to type pretty fast. HTML is really easy to learn after you know everything and pick it up. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using Adobe Photoshop CS3. You can also use Word, WordPad, Notepad, anything like that that can type. And you're going to save it as a .html file. But Dreamweaver does that for you. So let's get started. This is what I'm calling an open tag, just because it opens anything. And after that, you're going to want to type in HTML and then the close tag, which is just the exact opposite of the open tag. So hit enter and then type in head, but before that type in an open tag, sorry. And then close the tag and then open a tag again and type in a / and type in head and then close that. Hit enter again and type in title and then close that. And this is where on the top of the web page it says like facebook.com/home, anything like that. So let's just call this example HTML page 1. And then you want to close that. And then hit enter again, type in body, but open with an open tag. And then this is where all your links, dividers, anything with typing, words, anything will be. So links are usually the first thing you see on a web page, so I'm going to show you how to do them first. You're going to want to do an open tag and type in P and then a close tag. The P is just signaling that it's a paragraph, but it's not really a paragraph, but that's just how the code works. So after you do that, you're going to do a open tag, type in A space href, the equal sign, quotations, and then to wherever you want it to go. So if it's a web page, http://www.nickyriggi.com, and then put quotations again, do a close tag, do another, you know the link says, it says like nickyriggi.com. If you wanted to say that, right after the close tag, put nickyriggi.com. And then an open tag, a / a close tag, and then the same thing again but with a P. And there's your link right there, you see? And if you open it up, it should work. It will work if you have written the code correctly. That's how you do links. Now let's get on to a divider. A divider is really simple. Many coders and web page creators use it right under their links, just so the web page can be more, I don't know how to put this, more organized. So after that, you're going to want to hit the enter button and do an open tag and HR and then close it. And that's your divider. That's all it is. If you want to type, you're going to type in open tag P, close it. If you want it to be like a heading type text, you're going to open up a tag, H1, close it, and then type in whatever you want, like, hello, this is my first web page, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to want to close the H1, and then you're going to want to close the paragraph. And there's your text, yeah. There's more. There's H2, for instance, which is heading 2. There's also different sizes you can do, but you have to know CSS for that. So just the standard text is just 12, which is size 12. So you can just type in anything. So like, type the same thing again. You have to remember to do the open tag and then P. And then, hello, this is my first HTML page. And close that. And there's your writing. Pretty much all the basics. There's nothing really more than that. Oh yeah, there's also to where you can make bold and italicized. For italic, you're going to do open tag EM, close the tag, and then right after where you typed, you're going to close the EM. For bold, you're going to want to do an open tag and strong, and then do the same thing over here, but you want to close it. Oh yeah, another thing, if you're doing multiple things like this where it's a paragraph, it's italicized, it's bold too. If you're doing italicized first, you have to close that after you close strong, because strong is after the italicized. So it won't work. That's just how the coding is set up. So there's your italicized and your bold print. There's also, if you want to put something in the center, is do open text and then div, which is just for like it's a new part of the text or the coding. So it's div and then space align and then equal sign, quotations, and then center or right or left or whatever you're doing, and then hit the enter button. Then type in your P, and then bold if you want it, and then hi, this is center text. You have to close that. And then you want to close the divider too, which is just /div. You have to, after you type in div align equal quotation center, you have to put a close tag after that. So just put that right there, and now it's centered. There you go. If you want to do it right, you just do the same thing. Div align equal right, and then close that. Hi, this is right text. Close that, and then you have to close the divider again, and that's on the right. That's pretty much all the basics that there is. There's nothing really else. Oh yeah, and before you close it, you have to hit the enter button, type in /body, and then /HTML to finish your document. So if you want to look at that, this is it in a real browser. It's not on the internet because it's not connected to a website, but this is that. You click on the link, it's a working link, it goes right to my website. There's my website. You can go back and you'll see the webpage again, and that's all there is to it. Guys, thanks for watching my tutorial on HTML. If you have any questions or you want to learn something else, please feel free to comment, and happy coding.